Hi friends, today we are going to discuss exercise 1, chapter 12 of class 6, ratio and proportion. If you go through the exercise 1, look at here, exercise 1. In this, the first question is, there are 20 girls and 15 boys in a class. What is the ratio of number of girls to the number of boys? B bit is what is the ratio of number of girls to the total number of students in the class. To determine these two ratios, we require the number of girls, number of boys, and total number of students in the class. But in this, only number of girls given, number of boys given. So first you have to calculate the total number of students. If we add girls and boys, we will get the total number of students. Now, look at here. What is given? Number of girls equal to 20 and number of boys 15. Total number of students equal to 20 plus 15, that is equal to 35. So, if you calculate first B bit answer, look at here, ratio of number of girls to the number of boys. While writing ratio, you have to write in order. First they ask girls, no, you have to mention number of girls. After that, number of boys. So 20 is 15. You will get the, in both, if you simplify, if you convert into lowest term, 5 table is possible. So 4 is 3. B bit is the ratio of number of girls to the total number of students. That is equal 20 is 35. Again, if you write in the simplest form, 5 table is possible. 4 5s are 20, 7 5s are 35. 4 is to 7. Now, if you come to second question, look at here, second question. Out of 30 students in a class, 6 like football, 12 like cricket, and remaining like tennis. In the question A, find the ratio of number of students liking football to number of students liking tennis. Second question is find the ratio of number of students liking cricket to total number of students. What is given here? Total number of students given. And how many are liking football? That is 6. How many are liking cricket? 12. Remaining means which are not interested? Football and cricket. Football and cricket 6 plus 12 18. Total is 30. 30 minus 18 equal to 12 members tennis. So if you interpret this question, now we are going to write the steps. You can write total number of students. Total number of students equal to 30. Number of students like football. Equal to how many football? 6 members. Number of students like cricket equal to 12 members. Remaining students are like tennis. So number of students like tennis, that is equal 30 minus 6 plus 12, that is equal 30 minus 18, so 12. Now, if you come to the first question, what is the first question? Number of students like football to number of students like tennis. Number of, that means find the ratio of number of students like football. 2. Number of students like tennis. Football, how many is 6? Tennis, 12. In both, 6 table is possible, 1:2. This is the answer A. Ratio of number of students like football to number of students like tennis is equal to 1:2. Next, we are going to question B. Question B is the number of students like cricket to total number of students. So, if you calculate B, ratio of number of students like cricket to the total number of students is equal number of students like cricket equal to 12 and total number of students are 30. That is equal to 2:5. This is the ratio of number of students like cricket to the total number of students. Now, if you check the third question, see the figure and find the ratio of number of triangles to the number of circles inside the rectangle, number of squares to all the figures inside the rectangle, number of circles to all the figures inside the rectangle. First of all, inside the rectangle, first you have to identify the how many circles, how many squares, how many triangles. After that, you have to calculate the total number of figures. If you write the question number 3, number of circles, 2, number of triangles, number of triangles 3, number of squares, equal to total number of figures, total number of figures in a rectangle 2 plus 3 plus 2, that is equal to 7. Now you have to calculate the given ratios. Now if you see what the first question, find the ratio of number of triangles to number of circles. A bit, you are going to write A bit, ratio of number of triangles to number of circles is equal to triangles 3:2. So already it is in simplest form, no need to convert into simplest already. So no common table possible in both except one. So second question, find the ratio of number of squares to total number of figures. Total number of figures in a rectangle. Number of squares to total figures are 7. Next, C bit. Ratio of number of circles to total number of figures. That is equal to, same, circles also how many? 2. And figures, total number of figures also 7. So these 3 are the required ratios. Ratio of number of triangles to number of circles 3:2. Ratio of number of squares to total number of figures 2:7. Ratio of number of circles to total number of figures 2:7. Now come to fourth question. Distances travelled by Hamid and Akhtar in an hour are 9 km and 12 km. Find the ratio of speed of Hamid to the speed of Akhtar. So here, what is the speed of Hamid? Speed of Hamid is equal to 9 km per hour. Speed of Akhtar equal to 12 km per hour. We have to determine the ratio of speed of Hamid to speed of Akhtar. Question number 4. Speed of Akhtar. First one is Hamid, no? So speed of Hamid is equal to 9 km per hour. Speed of Akhtar is equal to 12 km per hour. Now we have to determine ratio of speed of Hamid to speed of Akhtar. Is equal to 9 km per hour is 12 km per hour. Both units are same, so you have to cancel units, and 9 and 12, 3 table is possible, 3 3 ja, 3 4 ja. So this is the required ratio of speed of Hamid to speed of Akhtar. Question number 5, you can discuss in the textbook only. Look at here. 15:18 or 15/18. Already we have discussed in the earlier chapters. What are the equivalent fractions? Look at here. 18 turned to 6. That means by divided by 3. So 15 also you have to divide by 3. That is equal, you will get 5. 15/18 is equal to 5/6. Both are equivalent fractions. So here 5 is turned to 10 means multiplied by 2 times. It is also multiplied by 2. It will become 12. Now look at here. 5/6 is equal to 30. You can compare this one. 6 5s are 30. So 5 5s are 25. This is the 25 10/12. You can do these questions. Equivalent fractions. Ratio is nothing but a fraction. Fraction is nothing but a ratio. Now question number 6. Find the ratio of the following. Here 81 to 108, B 98 to 63, C 38 kilometers to 121 kilometers, D 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Now you have to do first question, 81 to 108. To 108. Indirectly, you have to find the ratio, means you have to simplest form. So which table possible in both? 9 table. First you have to 9 9 ja, 9 12 ja. Next from both 3 table, 3 3 ja, 3 4 ja. This is the question A. Question B, 98 is to 63. 98 is to 63. So in these two, which table possible? 7 table. Seven 14 ja, 7 9 ja. This is the B bit. Next C, 33 kilometer to 121 kilometer. 33 kilometer to 121 kilometer. 33 kilometer to 121 kilometer. In both kilometers, kilometer will get cancelled. And 33 and 121, 11 table, 3 is 11. Next question number D. Question number D, 30 minutes to 45 minutes. 30 minutes to 45 minutes. 30 minutes is 45 minutes. So in both minutes will get cancelled. 5 table is possible. So 6 times and 9 times. Again 3 table possible. 2 is and 3. These are the 4 ratios: 81 to 108, 98 to 63, 33 kilometers to 121 kilometers, 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Next we are going to discuss next question. Now we are going to discuss about the 7th question. Find the ratio of the following: 30 minutes to 1.5 hours. Second question, 40 centimeters to 1.5 meters, 55 pies to 1 rupee, 500 ml to 2 liters. In the previous question number 6 and now present question number 7, are you observed or not? One difference is there. In the question number 6, C bit and D bit, left side part, right side part of the ratio are both in same units. 33 kilometers to 121 kilometers, 30 minutes to 45 minutes. But in the question number 7, left side part of the A bit 30 minutes, right side part of the ratio 1.5 hours. So ratio is indirectly how many times you have to compare. Always you can compare the quantities when they are in same units. Then only you have to compare. So first copy the A bit. 30 minutes to 30 minutes to 1.5 hour. So either minutes convert into hours or hours converted into minutes. So it is easy to convert into minutes. So 30 minutes is 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Half an hour equal to 30. That means 1.5 hours means 90 minutes. Now you can calculate the ratio or compare. So now minutes will get cancelled. 30 table or 0 will get cancelled. 3 table 1:3. That is the first answer. 30 minutes to 1.5 hour. Now second question. What is the second question? 40 centimeter to 1.5 meter. 40 centimeter to 1.5 meter. Here also one is in centimeter and the one is the meters. To compare any two quantities, both should be in the same units. Here 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1.5 meter means 150. So 40 centimeter is 150 centimeter. Now both are in the same units. Now centimeter will cancel. 0. So answer is 4:15. Now come to C bit. 55 pies to 1 rupee. 55 pies to 1 rupee. So left side part is pies, in right side part is in the rupees. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. So 55 pies is to 100 pies. Pies will get cancelled. So here 5 table is possible. 11 times 20 times. So 11 is 20. That is the ratio of 55 pies to 1 rupee is equal 11 is to 20. Now fourth question. 500 ml to 2 liters. 500 milliliters to 2 liters. So left part is in the milliliter, right side part is in the liters. So 500 ml to 2 liters. So 500 ml is 1 liter equal to 1000 ml, 1000 ml. So 2 liters equal to 2000 ml. So 2000 milliliter. Milliliter will get cancelled. Here 2 zeros, 5 table, 5 anja, 5 4. So 1:4. This is the required ratio. Are you following, children? To watch some more videos, please like and subscribe this channel. To subscribe, you have to click on the bell icon. Now we are going to discuss question number 8. In a year, Seema earns 1,50,000 rupees and saves 50,000 rupees. Question 1. Find the ratio of money that Seema earns to the money she saves. Question 2. Find the ratio of money that she saves to the money she spends. Have you observed? Have seen in the question only earning amount given, saving amount given. But according to question B, you have to determine the ratio of money that she saves to the money she spends. Spends means other than saving. So now we can start. Amount earned by Seema is equal to 1,50,000 rupees. Next, amount saved by Seema is equal to rupees 50,000. So now we are going to calculate the amount spent by Seema is equal to 1,50,000 minus 50,000. That is equal to 1 lakh. This is the amount spent by Seema. Now, what is the first question? You have to calculate money that Seema earns to saving money. Ratio of. Find the ratio of money that Seema earns to the money she saves. Ratio of money earns to money saved. Earns equal to rupees 1,50,000 is saved rupees 50,000. So in the both rupees will get cancelled. This 4 zeros, this 4 zeros. So next 5 table 3 and 1. So answer is 3:1. This is the ratio of money earned to money saved by Seema. Now come to second question. What is the second question? Money that she saves to the money she spends. Ratio of money saves to money spent is equal to rupees saving amount. How much? 50,000 is rupees 1 lakh. How much money spent? 1 lakh. In both rupees will cancel. 4 zeros and 4 zeros, and 5 and 10, 1:2. This is the B bit. Ratio of money saves to money spent by Seema is equal to 1:2. Now question number 9. There are 1 or 2 teachers in a school of 3,300 students. Find the ratio of number of teachers to the number of students. Direct. Both data given. What the number of students given, number of teachers. So start the answer. Number of teachers. Number of teachers equal to 102. Number of students. $3,300. So what you have to calculate? Ratio of number of teachers to number of students is equal to 102 is 3,300. In both three table cancel, so 34 3 ja 102 1,100. In both two table is possible. $17 is 550. This is the ratio of number of teachers to number of students in that school. Now come to the question number 10. In question number 10, in a college out of 4,320 students, 2,300 are girls. Question A. Find the ratio of number of girls to the total number of students. Number of boys to the number of girls means ratio. Find the ratio of number of boys to the total number of students. So here what is given? Number of students 4,320 and girls are 2,300. So in the second question we required number of boys. So we have to calculate the number of boys. If you subtract 2020 boys will come. Start. Number of students. Number of students according to given data 4,320. Number of girls also given. Number of girls 2,300. Number of boys. How to calculate number of boys? Total minus total number of students minus number of girls. 4,320 minus 2,300. That is called 2020. 2020. Now come to the question number 1. What is the question number 1? Number of girls to the total number of students. Find the ratio of number of girls to the number of students. Ratio of number of girls to number of total students is equal to number of girls 2,300 is 4,320. So both are end with 0, 0, 0 cancel. Next, both are even numbers. So you can, two table is possible. That is equal 115 is half of the 432, 216. This is the ratio of number of girls to number of total students. Now come to the second question. Ratio of, find the ratio of number of boys to number of girls. Ratio of number of boys to number of girls is equal number of boys 2020 is girls 2300. So 0 0 will get cancel, and again 2 table, that is equal 101 is 150. This is the ratio of number of boys to number of girls. Next, third question is ratio of number of boys to number of total students. Is equal to number of boys 2020 is 4320. So here 0 0 will cancel. So both are even numbers. 101 is 216. These are the ratio of number of girls to number of total students, ratio of number of boys to number of girls, ratio of number of boys to total number of students. Now, question number 11. So, important thing is read the question thoroughly and analyze and interpret them. Then it will become very easy. Out of 1800 students in a school, total number of students are 1800. 750 students are opted basketball, 800 students opted cricket, and remaining opted table tennis. Remaining means other than basketball and cricket. If a student can opt only one game, find the ratio of number of students who opted basketball to the number of students who opted table tennis. Question 2 is find the ratio of number of students who opted cricket to the number of students opting basketball. Question C. Find the ratio of number of students who opted basketball to the number of students. Total number of students. This is the question. So read the question thoroughly, either one time or two time or three time. That's why CBSE board is giving to read the question paper in annual board exams also 15 minutes, 15 minutes to read the question paper only. For the interpretation, total students are 1800, 7050 students are opted basketball, 800 students are opted cricket, remaining are table tennis. Now we are going to write details. Total number of students. Total number of students is equal to 1800. This is question number 11. Number of students who opted basketball. Number of students opted basketball. $750. Number of students opted cricket. Equal to 800. Remaining are opted tennis. Number of students opted tennis. is equal to 1800 minus of 750 plus 800. That is equal to 1800 minus 1550. That is equal to 250. 250. Now we are going to calculate the first question. Question 1 is the number of students who opted basketball to tennis. Basketball, how many? 750. Tennis, just now we calculated, that is equal to 250. So now ratio of number of students who opted basketball, I am writing BB, to number of students tennis is equal to 750 is 250. So both end with zeros and 25 table 3 is 1. This is the ratio of number of students who opted basketball to number of students tennis. Next, B bit, ratio of number of students opted cricket to number of students opted BB, basketball, is equal to 800, because cricket 800 is basketball 750. So in this, end with zeros, 0 will cancel, 5 table, 5 16 ja, 5 15 ja. So ratio is 16 is to 15. This is the B question. Next is C. C is the number of students who opted basketball to total number of students. Ratio of number of students opted basketball to number of students, number of total students, number of total students is equal to basketball. How many basketball children? 750. Basketball 750 is total 1800. So in this one, does end with zeros cancel. So 75 and 180. So first of all, you can cancel with 5 table, 15. Next, in 180, 36 times. Again 5 table, 3 table. 3 5 ja, 3 12 ja. So this is the ratio of number of students opted basketball to number of total students. These three are the required ratios. First ratio is the ratio of number of students who opted basketball to number of students opted tennis is 3:1. B bit, ratio of number of students opted cricket to number of students opted basketball 16:15. C bit, ratio of number of students opted basketball to number of total students 5:12. Hi, now question number 12. Cost of a dozen pens is 180 rupees and cost of 8 ball pens is 56 rupees. we have to determine the ratio of the cost of a pen to cost of a ball pen. So from this, you have to calculate cost of a pen. What is the cost of each pen? What is the cost of each ball pen? After that, you have to determine the ratio of the cost of a pen to the cost of a ball pen. So what is given? Cost of dozen pens. From the dozen means 12 pens cost given. From that you have to determine cost of one pen. Next, cost of 8 ball pens given, that is 56 rupees. From that you have to calculate the cost of one ball pen. Question number 12. Cost of dozen pens is equal to rupees 180 rupees. So cost of each pen is equal to 180 divided by 12. Why we are dividing with 12 means dozen means 12. So rupees 15. If you divide 180 with 12, 12 1 are 12, 6 0 5. Now cost of 8 ball pens is equal to rupees 56 rupees. Cost of each ball pen is equal to 56 rupees 8 rupees 7. Why we are calculating cost of each item means required ratio between cost of each item. That's why we are calculating cost of each item. Now come to question. Ratio of cost of pen to cost of ball pen is equal to rupees 15 is rupees 7. That is equal rupee will get cancelled. Sorry, rupee will get cancelled. So 15 is 7 because we cannot further simplify. Already it is in simplest form. This is the ratio of cost of a pen to cost of a ball pen is 15 is to 7. Next, question number 13. Question number 13 is this table. Consider the statement. Ratio of breadth and length of a hall is 2:5. Complete the following table that shows some possible breadths and lengths of a hall. That means indirectly ratio is 2:5 means 2/5. This is equal, already it is the 2, it is the 5. Just like equivalent fractions. 10, it is a 25 2s, so it is also 20. 10 become 40, that means 4 times. Or 20 become 40, double. So it will also double, means 100. These are the answers. Fill it. Now look at here, 14th question. Here 14th question, here look at this. Divide 20 pens between Sheila and Sangeeta in the ratio of 3:2. 20 pens you have to divide to Sheila and Sangeeta in the ratio 3:2. That means Whose part is more? Sheila, 3 parts. So she will get more number of pens. Sangeeta will get less number of pens. Altogether, they will get 20 pens. Number of pens 20. Dividing ratio 3:2. Share parts. Is the first person? Sheila. Equal to 3. Share parts of Sangeeta 2. So number of pens. Here total 5 parts. So total pens distributed to or divided to Sheila is equal 3 parts by total part into 20. 5 1 ja 5 4 ja, that is called 12 pens. She will get 12 pens. So remaining number of pens will Sangeeta gets. Is equal 20 minus 12, that is equal to 8, or you can do in another way also. For that one, parts of Sangeeta 2 by total into total pens. You can do in any method. So sometimes it may, suppose if you do mistake this one, this also will get mistake. So if you do individually, sometimes 3 ratios will give. At that time you have to do separately. Next question, question number 15. Mother want to divide 36 rupees between daughter Shreya and Bhumika. Shreya and Bhumika in the ratio of their ages. So in the previous question ratio is given, but here ratio is not given. You have to calculate the ratio and after that divide 36 rupees in the ratio of that. So first what you have to do, age of Shreya 15 years, age of Bhumika 12 years. Age of Shreya 15 years, age of Bhumika 12 years. So you have to calculate the ratio. Ratio of age of Shreya to age of Bhumika is equal 15 years is 12 years. So years will cancel and 3 table 5 times and 3 4 is 12. This is the required amount divided, amount distributed or divided equal to rupees 36 rupees. So part of Shreya equal to 5, part of Bhumika 4. Total 9 parts. So now you have to distribute this amount. So in this ratio. So amount distributed to Shreya is equal to 5 parts by total parts into 36. 9 4 that is equal to rupees 20. So remaining amount to Bhumika. Amount distribute to view to Bhumika is equal to 36 rupees minus 20, that is equal to rupees 60. If we add together 20 plus 60, 36. You can do in another method also. What is that one? 4 by 9 multiplied by 36. 4 4 0. 9 4 0 36. 4 4 0 16 rupees. This is the another way. Now next question. Present age of father is 42 years and that of his son is 14 years. Find the ratio of present age of father to the present age of son. Question 2 is find the ratio of age of the father to the age of son when son was 12 years old. Third question, find the ratio of age of father after 10 years to the age of son after 10 years. Age of father to the age of son when father was 30 years old. Present. Present. Age of father. (42 years). Age of father. Age of son. 14 years. This is the present age. Age of father 42 years. Age of son 40 years. Ratio of age of father to age of son is equal to 42 is 14. So in both 14 table, 14 3 ja, 14 1 ja. So answer is 3:1. Second question, when son was 12 years old. When son was 12 years old means 2 years ago. Present age of son is 14 years. At son, age of son is 12 years means 2 years ago. 2 years ago, age of father. Is equal to 40 years. Age of son 12 years. Ratio of age of father to age of son is equal to 40:12. 4 table. 4 10 ja, 4 3 ja. Now third question, after 10 years. After 10 years. Age of father. (52 years). Age of son 12 years. ratio of age of father to age of son is equal 52 years is 12 years. Yes, will cancel 52 and this one 4 table is here. After 10 years, age of son will become 14 years. Sorry. 14 present means after 10 years, age will become 24 years. So 24 years. 6, 13 is 6. "12 years ago, age of father, present age is 42. 12 years ago means 42 minus 12, that is equal to 30 years. Age of son, present age is 14 years. 12 years ago means 14 minus 12 equal to 2 years. So ratio of age of father to the age of son is equal 30 is 2. 2 table cancel, 15 is 1. Thank you. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Please click on bell symbol and subscribe the channel. Thank you.